us through our Ghati Ashram. Now, we have come to the end of the day today. Let me have a quick summarization of what we have discussed today, and then we can conclude our today's program with a prayer. So, to summarize, we had a wonderful session today, which put us through a realization of how the nature is being destroyed in the name of development, and how we need to create an awareness amongst ourselves and spread that awareness towards caring for the nature. And we have discussed a lot of points towards growing the trees, plants, caring for the nature. And we also had a wonderful statement from our Sidhu that when we care and love for the plants, they'll grow better. So let's take that, put that into our heart and take some of the initiatives that our Padmini Ji put in front of us. Again, it's like 5 senses, 5 fingers, 5 initiatives through our Pranadhan initiative. So the first one, let us plant let us have plants in our home or terrace and even gift it to others, so that way we create a good greenery around us and for rest of us. Let us join hands to plant the saplings at Ghati in the next 1 month. This is a very important activity. Let us gather the volunteers. Let's make this as a big initiative and create a lot of greenery in our Ghati ashram. Let us add plants at our home, gardens, etc. On any special occasion. Let's add 1 plant. Let's say we have a birthday. Let's say we have an anniversary or a Shraddhanjali, or any occasion, any good occasion that we would want to remember. Let's put a tree. Let's nurture it. Let's grow it, and let's remember that occasion through this sapling, plant, tree. That will also give us a lot of benefits in our own environment. Let us promote. But by doing all these things, we are just enhancing our house. Let's also enthuse our some of our entrepreneurs, the shopkeepers, our business owners, who could offer these saplings to their customers. So that way the message spreads, and that message could also enthuse the customers to go and share that with their relatives, friends, neighbors. So that way this chain of creating the green world enhances and increases. Let us also provide our return gifts. When we have a function, let us ensure that we give return gifts in the form of saplings. So that way again the greenery is spread and create a chain of events to create greenery around us. So with all these things, our Sevak Rajesh has offered to provide saplings to the shop owners, business establishments, entrepreneurs, or even for our marriage functions. And Rajesh has requested for shops to give around 15 days of time to deliver the saplings. And similarly for marriage functions, which has marriage or functions, where we would request for 100+ saplings. He has requested to have at least a month of notice. Let's utilize that and give the appropriate time for Rajesh to create the right saplings with the right nutritions to the saplings, so that way it can come to our homes and cherish our lives. And again, Rajesh did request for some of the help at Ghati to help him to put all the saplings, and also help towards creating the saplings when we get orders. Let's also make sure that this happens, so that way we create a lot more greener world through our Sevak Nursery Center. And with this, right, let's take this journey to the World Family Day, where our theme is towards care for nature, Mother Earth, and how we can enthuse not only Sevaks, but all the people around the world to make this a wonderful green planet. And we'll take the steps through elocution during the World Family Day, where the participants will be given a topic to share their experience of growing a plant and how that is helping them to care for nature. And then we'll have singing competition and drawing competition. So let's take this message through our World Family Day and make this event a bigger event through our day-to-day lives and bring a lot of greenery into this world. By saying this, I would thank each one of you to have been. Yes. Yes. So next week we'll have a session for volunteers. Yes. Yes. So we are planning to create volunteers for each of these events for the World Family Day, and we'll conduct a session next week. So please do nominate yourselves. Please call me or Ravi. Give your names to be the volunteer, and we'll make sure that we have a session and you're trained to take this message to the world and have a much more greener world through our World Family Day. Any questions? Any clarifications?
Arun, Rajesh.
Yes.
Arun, ಈಗ ವಾಲಂಟಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟೇಶನ್ 108 ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಈಗ್ಲಿಂದಾನೇ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ 45 days ಟೈಮ್. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾರು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಸರು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು 2-3 ದಿನದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. ಸೊ ನನ್ಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗತ್ತೆ.
Correct. So there are two types of volunteers we are requesting for. The first set of volunteers is to plant the saplings at Gandhi. That is an immediate need. That has to happen as early as tomorrow onwards. The second set of volunteers we are requesting is to take the message and spread the message of our World Family Day events and bring more participants, schools and colleges to bring more participants for our World Family Day celebrations and spread this message to a larger group, to a wider group. So that way this becomes the most successful event and greenery is created all around us. So there are two sets of volunteers. For both of them, please do call Arun and Ravi, and we'll share the numbers on the WhatsApp group immediately after this session. And of course, I did. Yes. Yes. So two sets of volunteers we are requesting for. One to help in Ghati. So please do call Rajesh directly, or you could even call Arun and Ravi for that. So that way we could help you with that. The second set of volunteers to volunteer for the World Family Day to take the message to the schools and colleges, for which we will conduct a session, volunteer session next week, so that you will be better equipped, prepared to talk through to the colleges and the schools. So for this volunteers group, please do call Arun and Ravi. We'll post the numbers immediately after this session. Any further questions, clarifications?
Arun,
anything else? Ravi, you want to say something? Please go ahead.
Yeah, this year, just like last year, no, we are conducting the World Family Day program online, and it's going to be across all the centers. In fact, we are going to cover the globe. So there can be participation. The message has to spread wide throughout the globe, and participants can come from any nation, from any part of the globe. So please do spread the message, and it's about coordinating and taking this message, because it's a very, very important message of caring for nature, because all the future for us and also for the future generations depends on these steps that we take. So kindly enroll, enlist yourself, spread the message, enlist people. Not only Sevaks, they only have to feel for nature. Any such person can get himself or herself enrolled as a volunteer into this mission of creating a green world for the future. And it's going to be an online program. Anybody can participate from any corner of the globe. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Anyone else want to say anything, or you have any questions, clarifications? Any modifications, suggestions?
Yeah, Harun, when can I get a saplings? This 10 variety of saplings we planning to plant, Allah. And remaining arrangement, when can I sponsors, or how arrange the plants?
Sorry, Rajesh, I couldn't hear you. There was some disturbance.
ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಇವಾಗ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಹೇಳಿ.
ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು 108 ಟ್ರೀ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ,
ಹೌದು.
ಅದೀಗ ಆ 108 ಗಿಡ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನನಗೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ನಾನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು?
ಪದ್ಮಿನಿ ಪಟೇಲ್ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿರೋದು.
ಓಕೆ, ನಾನು ಅರುಣ್ ಹತ್ರ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ.
ಅರುಣ್ ಈಗ ರಾಜೇಶ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು, ಪದ್ಮಿನಿ ಪಟೇಲ್ ಅವರು 108 ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾನು ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಇದ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು.
Padmini ji, you're there?
Yes. So the saplings are already available in Gati, is what I'm told, and there's also some digging.
Sorry, Padmini madam, sorry. Saplings are not available. We have to buy. So digging machine is there. I mean, Arthogar is ready.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
and I am ready.
Some saplings which are there, what are they? He said some 2000 saplings are there.
No, that is a different saplings. That is a tree. I mean,
that
timber.
Is to grow a forest.
Yeah, timber for saplings.
No, he said there are some drumstick trees available, some fruit saplings.
No, we already planted that. Plants are there growing. Lemon plants all are growing. Now we are adding 108. No, for this 24th, coming 24th, we are planning to 108. Yeah. That saplings are not available. We have to buy.
Okay.
Or we have to arrange it.
Okay, fine. So we'll I'll talk to Ravi and we'll find out how to do that.
Rajesh, you please make a list of the varieties of the saplings.
நான் இப்ப சென்ட் பண்றேன் குரூப்ல.
And we'll coordinate how we can source it and also get the volunteers to help you out.
Yeah, send that list, Rajesh. Rajesh, please send that to me and Ravi.
Yeah,
or
sure.
let's have a separate WhatsApp group, no, for
individually
initiative. And then they can post and clarify all the messages there. ಹೇಳಿ ಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರೆ.
ಏನಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಈಗ ಕೇಶವ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರು ಇದ್ರೆ ಲೈನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ, ಕೇಶವ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರು GKVK ಯಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಗಿಡಗಳು, ಯಾವ ಗಿಡಗಳು ಬೇಕು ಅದು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅವರು ಅದನ್ನ ಕೊಡಿಸ್ಬಹುದು. GKVK ಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಶವ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, GKVK ಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಗಣೇಶ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ರು.
ಸರಿ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್.
ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಕೇಶವ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರು ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದನ್ನ ಇದ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಗಣೇಶ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅದು.
ಅವರು ಸೇವಕ್ ಕೇಶವ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವ್ರು ಇವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್, ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಆಫ್ಲೈನ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸೆಷನ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ರಾಜೇಶ್ ಅವ್ರು ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಇವತ್ತು ಸೆಷನ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ, ಆವಾಗ ಅದನ್ನ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕೇಶವ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಯಾವ್ದು ಅವರಿಂದ ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೆಲವು ಗಿಡಗಳನ್ನ ಆಯುಷ್ ಇಲಾಖೆಯಿಂದನೂ ಫ್ರೀ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಯುಷ್ ಇಲಾಖೆ ಅಂತ, ಆಯುಷ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ನೀವು ನಮ್ಮ ಚಿನ್ನಮ್ಮ ಅವ್ರ ಮಗಳು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸುರುಚಿ ಇದಾಳಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸುರುಚಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರೆ?
ಚಿನ್ನಮ್ಮ ಮಗಳು.
ಓಕೆ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್.
ಅವರ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ಇದಾರೆ. ಆಯುಷ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ಕೆಲವು ಸಸಿಗಳನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಿಂದೆ ಒಂದ್ಸರ್ತಿ ಗಣೇಶ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ಸಿತ್ತು, ಕೆಲವು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈಗೂ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಬೇಗ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. ಒಂದು ಆಯುಷ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಂದ, ಎರಡನೇದು GKVK ಇಂದ.
ಆಯ್ತು ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್, ನೋಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್. Rajesh, we will create a WhatsApp group for the 4 of us. You, me,
Sure, Arun. Nan
Patil
ಕಳ್ಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ.
and Rajesh, and we will clarify everything there, Rajesh.
Yeah, sure, Arun. Igla after the call we'll do it. I'll do
Yes,
it.
yes, Rajesh, that will help.
Yeah.
Rajesh.
Yeah,
Arun,
thank you.
Arun, with respect to the World Family Day volunteers,
Yeah,
because it's going to be across various centers,
yeah,
we need volunteers to contact the respective centers, sir. For example, volunteers will be needed in Salem, in Chennai, in Hyderabad, in Dodbalapur, or in Chintamani.
yeah.
So like in Bangalore, like that in various centers we will require volunteers. So please spread the message, and so that volunteers can enlist in those respective centers.
Yes, Ravi.
And we will help that coordination. Okay.
Yes.
All right, Arun, I think we'll conclude, Arun, with the prayer.
Yeah, let us all conclude with the prayer.
Thank you, Guruji.
Thank you everyone
Namaste,
for
Guruji.
joining. We will end the session
Thank you,
now.
Guruji.
Thank you.
Thank you, Guruji.
Guruji, and all.
Thank you all.
Thank you, Guruji. Thank you, Raji. Thank you, Arun. Thank you,
Pranam
everybody.
Guruji, Namaste Guruji, Pranam Guruji.
Thank you, Guruji.
ನಾಳೆ
Thank you, everybody.
ನಾಳೆ
Thank
ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್
you.
ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ. ನಾಳೆ ಮೀಟಿಂಗು. ರವಿ ನಾಳೆ ಮೀಟಿಂಗು.
That we will be sending the message, Maestro.
ರಮೇಶ್, ಇವತ್ತು ರಾತ್ರಿ